Do you want to finally speak English with confidence? Imagine a life where English is not just something you study for exams, but something you live every single day. A life where English flows naturally from your tongue, just like your native language. If that sounds exciting, then stay with me, because I'm going to show you how to make English your habit, how to use simple tools like a graded reader, and how to finally improve your English fluency without stress, without fear, and without boredom. So let's begin this journey together. Here's a secret. Fluency in English is not about learning thousands of grammar rules. It's not about memorizing long vocabulary lists. It's about building small, powerful habits that connect you with English every single day. Just like brushing your teeth, drinking water, or checking your phone, English should become a natural part of your daily routine. Once you make English your habit, fluency is only a matter of time. Now you may ask, how do I start? What's the easiest, most effective way? The answer is simple. Use a graded reader. A graded reader is not just a book. It's a specially designed English learning tool. Unlike traditional textbooks, graded readers are stories written at different levels of difficulty. Whether you are a beginner, intermediate, or advanced learner, there is always a graded reader that fits you perfectly. When you read a story that matches your level, you understand it easily. You don't get frustrated. You don't feel lost. Instead, you enjoy the story. And at the same time, you are learning new words, new expressions, and new grammar naturally. Think about how you learned your first language. You didn't study grammar books as a child. You listened to stories. You repeated words. You lived with the language. A graded reader gives you the same experience in English. Why should English be your habit? Because studying feels heavy. Habits feel natural. Habits don't need motivation every day. Habits are automatic. Once you build the habit of reading a graded reader for 10 minutes daily, it becomes effortless. You don't even think about it. You just do it. And that's where real progress happens. Start small. Don't buy advanced books you can't follow. Don't try to memorize hundreds of words in one night. Choose a short graded reader at your level. Read 1 or 2 pages a day. 10 minutes daily is far more powerful than 1 hour once a week. Fluency is not built in one giant leap. It is built step by step, habit by habit. Connect with the story. Don't treat it like homework. Feel the characters, the emotions, the journey. When you connect emotionally, your brain remembers faster. You don't just memorize vocabulary, you live it. Repeat and recycle. After you finish a chapter, read it again. Listen to the audio version if it's available. Repeat sentences out loud. Repetition is the mother of fluency. Speak what you read. Say the sentences out loud. Train your tongue, your mouth, your brain. This is how you turn knowledge into fluency. Build a daily English ritual. Morning, read 1 page with your tea or coffee. Afternoon, listen to the same story on your way to work. Evening, repeat 2 sentences before you sleep. Simple, natural, powerful. Mix input and output. Read and listen, but also speak and write. Retell the story in your own words. Write a short summary. When you balance both sides, fluency grows strong. Keep it fun. Choose stories that you enjoy. Romance, mystery, history. When you love what you read, learning never feels like work. Don't be afraid of mistakes. Mistakes are not your enemy. They are your teachers. The more mistakes you make, the faster you learn. So speak now. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Consistency is the key. Practice once in a while, and it may take years. Practice every day, even for 10 minutes, and you'll see changes in months. Small daily habits grow into lifelong fluency. Look at Maria. She read for 10 minutes every night. After 3 months, she understood almost everything. Today, she speaks with confidence. Look at Ahmed. He read and repeated sentences on his commute. 6 months later, his coworkers noticed his fluency. They are not special. They just made English their habit.